The only time he's coming back to a Thanksgiving is to wash my dishes, bitch. Stopping the recording, okay? The reason people love me is because I'm funny, so don't f*** up my funniness. It's just like Andrew to f*** up my funniness. I swear if he didn't have pies with him, I'd kick his out right now. Oh hi, welcome to the Paranormal Polynesian. Although I normally am traveling around the world with you, today I'm gonna keep it at home for the holidays, and we're gonna make a delicious holiday treat. It's called funeral potatoes. Now funeral potatoes, why do I keep saying funeral? Now funeral potatoes! Rudy! I can't do that because he's a right? If you're watching this at Christmas, Feliz Navidad. Happy Thanksgiving if it's Thanksgiving. And if you're Jewish, Happy Hanukkah. Today we're gonna make a delicious side dish that you're sure to love. It's simple, it's easy, and it's great for a funeral. So come along, let's make funeral potatoes. Do you know what funeral potatoes are, Andrew?
No.
They're potatoes that you serve at a funeral, or Christmas, or Thanksgiving, same thing, right? I mean, I know I want to myself when I'm with my family. What? I'll show you how to do this quick. Ow! I'll show you how to do this quick and easy recipe. Okay, are you guys ready for the ingredients? By the way, I made this video 2 years ago, but then it was deleted on YouTube. So we're gonna try this again. My onions are burning. First things first, cut half of an onion and get half a stick of butter. Come with me. You should put the butter in with the onions and not after like I did so they don't burn like these, because these are burnt. But you know what? It's just my family, so they're gonna eat it, it's fine. I'm gonna call these Cajun onions because they're just blackened. So you're going to do half a stick of butter and half an onion that's diced and just sweat it. Just sweat this onion. By the way, do you love my apron, Andrew?
Yes.
It's The Shining. The carpet?
Reminds me of pillowcases.
You remind me of a pillowcase. Okay, so this is all you gotta do. I went to the Walmart because I did a pickup order. I don't go into Walmart for anything. And I got a 4-pound bag of hash browns. And we're gonna use half of this bag. So 2 pounds of hash browns, also known as 32 ounces, if you do math. And you need to let these thaw out. I did not, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna pour them right in here in this 9x13 baking tray, Pyrex. I put way too much potatoes. Damn it. Great, now they're all over the floor. I can't say in a cooking show, can I? Can I? Did you get it down in there? You see the hash browns? Simple as can be. Then, you could do a family size cream of chicken soup, but I just did two smallers because it's a little less soup. You don't want too much cream of chicken. And I'm just gonna dump the cream of chicken right in here into the pan. This is such an easy recipe. Do you love it, Andrew?
What about those onions?
Don't worry, they're coming. So just put the 2 regular sized cans of cream of chicken in just right on top of these frozen potatoes. These onions are really burnt. What? Do you want these? You think so?
Yep.
Oop. Just pour those onions right in on top as well. Those are so burnt, Andrew. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. And I like to add a little garlic powder. Just a little. And you're gonna mix this up. What are your favorite recipes to make at the holidays? Comment below. Let me know. Do you make a mess like I do when you cook? Oh I melted the cutting board. Don't look over there. Don't look over there. Look away, ow! Okay, to this mixture, I'm gonna add 2 cups of shredded cheese. This is a Fiesta blend. Colby Jack is fine. I don't measure anything. Just do as I say, not as I do. That looks like 2 cups. And then you're just gonna mix that in. This looks really good. Are you excited for cheesy potatoes? I was raised Mormon, and I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's a cult. A lot of my friends are still Mormon. It's not a cult. The thing when you're a Mormon is you have these funeral potatoes at every event that you go to in the church. And so it's just a big part of my childhood. So now that I've mixed in the cheese, I'm just gonna add a little pepper and salt. That way when people ask what's all the black in these potatoes, I'll just say it's pepper. It's not burnt onions. And then we're gonna do a 16-ounce tub of sour cream. And you're just gonna plop that right in there. Whoop. We're not fancy in this kitchen. We're not. I have a problem with burning stuff. Do you know that? So this is the special ingredient that makes these potatoes so delicious. Cornflakes, that's the secret ingredient. So the other half of your butter, you melt in here in a pan at low heat. Oh, it's at high, but it's fine. And then I'm just gonna put about 2 cups of this cornflake cereal into the butter. And the reason you want the butter is so that these delicious cornflakes crisp up and brown deliciously on top of the potatoes. Oh, I make a mess everywhere I go. So annoying. And then these little guys just go right on top of the potatoes. When I say this is an easy recipe, it's easy. And trust me, people will love it. They'll be like, what are in those potatoes? So now we're gonna take our potatoes and we're gonna put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And with the magic of television, I'm gonna reappear on Thanksgiving Day and we're gonna just taste this together. So you know what you can do? You can stick this in the fridge overnight. That's what I'm doing. You can even freeze these. You never know when you're gonna need a funeral. So speaking of Thanksgiving and holidays, let's show them my tablescape, Andrew. Do you like it? These are little dishes that Barney's mom gave us. She collected them. You used to get stamps at the grocery store and then you could get plates. Of course, my movers broke half of our plates, so I only have service for 7, motherfucker. So one of us is gonna eat with a big turkey plate. And that someone is me. So, yeah, this is a tablescape idea. I like doing napkins with rings. Cute, right? So, and then this is just an old, it's a punch bowl / cake pan, cake something. And I just opened it up and put some little accoutrements. What do you think of my Thanksgiving tablescape, Andrew? Thank you.
One of a kind.
But what about the table? Hey! You don't walk on plates, you little So our funeral potatoes just came out of the oven and it's Thanksgiving morn. But let's try them. Don't they look delicious? I have a new cameraman, Demetrius. What do you think of these? Do they look good?
It looks delicious.
Okay, we're gonna put this serving spoon in and I'm just gonna eat with it. And then I'm gonna give this to my family after. I'm not gonna wash it either. Look at that, crispy topping. Ha! Delicious. Oh, it's cheesy. The sour cream. The cheddar cheese, it's buttery. This topping is crispy and delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh! It tastes so good, I'm ready to go to a funeral, girl. Demetrius, take a bite. Tell us what you think.
That's
No.
actually pretty good.
Is it?
That's good, yeah. Cheesy. I was a little bit afraid because Whenever I see cornflakes on a dish.
Really? Are you serious?
I'm like, ooh, that's not right.
Do people put cornflakes on dishes a lot?
Not in my household.
This is the only thing in the world that I allow cornflakes on.
Oh, yeah.
You guys got to try this recipe out. It's so easy, so fun, and so festive for the holidays. So I'm gonna take me and my little glasses, and I'm gonna go enjoy my holiday with my family. If you don't have a family to enjoy holidays with yourself, you're lucky. Listen, sometimes it's fine to have an alone Thanksgiving. I'm fine with that. Just me and a to-go order from Cracker Barrel. That's all I need in the world. But I hope, if you're not doing Cracker Barrel, I hope you try this out. And I hope you have a great time. Happy holidays to y'all. If you like fun videos like this and travel videos too, please subscribe to my channel. Happy Kwanzaa, and we'll see you soon. Bye!